Welcome to the RadioPro series of online videos. RadioPro is a set of radio over IP software applications that run on Windows PCs and notebooks, as well as iOS and Android devices to enable you to communicate with two-way radio users. This video will demonstrate how easy it is to download, install, and run the RadioPro Talk mobile app on your smartphone. Following installation, the app will connect to our demo radio system in Cincinnati. The software can then be used to communicate from your location to radio users on our Cincinnati radio system. Before we begin the download and installation of software, let's take a look at a diagram of our demo radio system located here in Cincinnati. The control station radios and the RadioPro IP gateways in this diagram are the interface between the two-way radio system and the IP network. Your location is represented near the bottom of this diagram. So let's begin the download. I am using an Android phone, but things will be similar if your phone is an iPhone. Your first step should be to find the icon for the Play Store for Android or for the Apple App Store for iPhones. After opening the Store app, use the search box to search for RadioPro Talk. This should be two words, RadioPro, and then Talk. The application you need should be the first one in the list, but verify that CTI Products is listed under the app name. After selecting the RadioPro Talk application, install it onto your device. Now find the Talk icon on your device and open it. You may be asked to allow the app to use certain functions on your device. Accept or allow all of these. The initial connection screen has a list of IP gateways that we can connect to. The app is already configured to allow communication on our demo radio system. If you remember the diagram of our demo radio system, there are 4 different systems that are available. We suggest that you use Moto Turbo Conventional since we listen to this one most often. So touch the line that reads Moto Turbo Conventional to connect to that system. On the contact screen that appears, select a group or subscriber from the list. The selected contact will be highlighted in gray. Then touch and hold the Push to Talk button. If the button turns orange and the go-ahead tone is heard, begin talking. On the other hand, if you hear a tone similar to the busy bonk on a two-way radio, the connection is busy. To see options for a listed contact, select the contact, then touch the options icon that appears to the right side. Options include opening the text messaging window, replaying the last audio call from this contact, performing a radio check for this contact, sending a call alert to this contact, and locating this contact on a map. To see a list of available radio zones and talk groups, touch the gray band under the blue header. In this case, there is only one talk group configured called Digital 1. The RadioPro Talk mobile app can also be used to track locations of radio users. Touch the icon in the upper right corner that looks like a globe. If a name has a green background, then the data is fresh and the radio is active. If the name has a gray background, then the data is not fresh and the radio may be turned off or out of radio coverage, in other words, inactive. Touch the icon in the upper right-hand corner that looks like an eye to hide the inactive radio users. Touch any of the names on screen to see the time of the last position update. After panning and zooming, touch the center icon to get all of the radio users on screen at the best zoom level. Touch the back button to return to the contact screen. Touch the message icon in the upper right corner to view the text messaging screen. This screen will display a list of text message conversations. Touch any of the conversations to see the message details. This screen can also be used to send a text message to the contact. Type your message in the message box at the bottom and then touch the send button. I hope this gives you a better feel for how to download and use the RadioPro Talk mobile app. Thanks for watching.